Have you ever wondered what you are made of? It's not just skin, bones, and hair. If you could zoom in way, way down to the tiniest level, you would see that you are made of trillions of tiny building blocks. These are called cells. Think of them like super small Lego bricks. Every living thing, from the tallest trees to the smallest ladybugs, and even you, is built from these amazing cells. They work together in teams to help you breathe, run, eat, and even think. Your body is a bustling city of cells, all doing their important jobs to keep you healthy and strong every single day. Now, imagine a tiny troublemaker trying to sneak into this busy city. This troublemaker is called a virus. A virus is incredibly small, so small you can't see it without a very powerful microscope. Unlike your cells, a virus can't live on its own. It's like a little pirate that needs to take over a ship to survive. Its one and only mission is to find a way inside one of your healthy cells. It wants to use your cell's machinery to make more and more copies of itself, which can make you feel sick. The virus is a sneaky invader, always looking for an open door into the amazing city of your body. Luckily, your body is not helpless. It has an amazing security system designed to keep invaders like viruses out. Think of it like a giant castle with strong walls and guarded gates. Your first and most important line of defense is your skin. Your skin is a tough, waterproof barrier that covers your whole body. It's like a shield that most viruses simply can't get through. As long as your skin doesn't have any cuts or scrapes, it does a fantastic job of keeping those pesky viruses on the outside, where they can't do any harm. This is why washing your hands with soap and water is so important. It helps wash away any viruses that might be camping out on your skin. But what about the gateways we talked about, like your nose and mouth? Your body has special traps there too. Inside your nose, you have tiny hairs and sticky stuff called mucus. This combination works like flypaper, catching dust, pollen, and, you guessed it, viruses that you might breathe in. If you swallow a virus, it lands in your stomach, which is filled with powerful acid. This stomach acid is so strong that it can destroy most invaders before they have a chance to cause any trouble. Your body's first defenses are working around the clock to stop trouble before it can even start. Sometimes, despite these awesome defenses, a clever virus manages to sneak past the outer walls. When this happens, your body sounds an internal alarm. Special lookout cells that are always patrolling your body notice that something isn't right. They spot the virus as an intruder, something that doesn't belong in the city of cells. When the alarm sounds, your body calls in its super squad, the white blood cells. These are the brave soldiers of your immune system. They travel all around your body through your bloodstream, like police cars patrolling the city's highways. There are different kinds of white blood cells, and each one has a special job. The first responders are often the big eater cells called phagocytes. Their job is simple: find the invaders and gobble them up. They are like the Pac-Man of your body, chomping down on viruses and infected cells to get them out of the way and clean up the area. While the eater cells are busy cleaning up, another smarter group of white blood cells arrives on the scene. These are the T cells and B cells. Think of them as the detectives and generals of your immune system army. The T cells are amazing at recognizing which of your own cells have been taken over by the virus. They can spot the infected cells that have become virus factories and destroy them to stop more viruses from being made. Next up are the incredible B cells. Once the T cells identify the enemy, they tell the B cells what the virus looks like. The B cells then get to work on a very important mission, designing and producing special weapons called antibodies. Antibodies are tiny, Y-shaped proteins that are custom-made to fight one specific type of virus. They are like a key that perfectly fits a lock. These antibodies flow through your bloodstream and are designed to find and attach themselves to the viruses. Once the antibodies are released, they swarm the battlefield. They lock onto the viruses, neutralizing them so they can't infect any more cells. It's like putting handcuffs on the bad guys. This teamwork between T cells, B cells, antibodies, and phagocytes is what makes your immune system so powerful. They all work together in a coordinated attack to make sure the virus invasion is stopped and your body can return to being healthy. Winning the battle is amazing, but your immune system has one more incredible trick up its sleeve. After it has defeated the virus, it doesn't just forget what happened, it creates a memory. Some of the B cells and T cells that helped fight the infection stick around as memory cells. These special cells remember the exact blueprint of the virus they just fought. They are like veteran soldiers who have a file with a picture and all the details of the enemy. This memory is the key to long-term protection and is one of the coolest things about your body. So, what happens if that same type of virus ever tries to invade your body again? This time, your body is ready for it. The memory cells immediately recognize the old enemy. They don't have to waste any time figuring out what the virus is or how to fight it. They can sound the alarm and start producing the perfect antibodies right away, much faster than they did the first time around. This response is so quick and powerful that the virus is often wiped out before it can even make you feel sick. You might not even know a battle was fought and won. This amazing ability to remember is why you usually only get certain illnesses like chickenpox once in your life. Your immune system has built up a memory and is prepared to defend you against that specific invader forever. This is also the science behind vaccines. Vaccines work by introducing a safe, weakened, or inactive part of a virus to your body. This allows your immune system to learn, build memory cells, and produce antibodies without you having to get sick first. It's like a training mission for your immune system, preparing it for a real future battle. Your body is an incredible, self-healing machine that is constantly working to protect you. From your skin's tough barrier to the microscopic super squad of white blood cells and their amazing memory, your immune system is your personal superhero. It fights bravely for you every single day, keeping you safe from tiny invaders you'll never even see. So next time you feel a little under the weather, remember the amazing battle going on inside you. Your body is strong, smart, and built to win, making you healthier and more powerful for the future.